Welcome to Casey Builds It. I want to give you guys a quick overview of this schema validator tool that I made a while back with Cursor AI. So if you have a website or you are working with multiple clients' websites, you will know sometimes you want to add schema to a site. And one issue with schema is in order to typically find it, you either have to go to like the Google rich results webpage and then type in every page to find out if that page does have schema, or you're going to have to view the page source. So I created this tool, which I can then put in any URL, or we can scrape a sitemap. It will go through and then tell me which pages have schema, and then just show any type of critical results that we may want to look at. From there, you can then open up that page in Google Rich Results to see what issue it might have. Then you can go back and fix that at a later date. Once the results are all populated, you can then export that so you can go back whenever and take a look and make some changes. But first, I just ran a little report to see how I made this tool because it's been a while. So I just wanted to give you guys some more information about the tool. So it fetches pages, extracts the JSON microdata, flags any SEO schema issues with handwritten rules, not Google's API. So we have a little Python tool with the GUI so you can see everything that is going on. And then right here, you can tell which requirements were required in order to build this tool. So it needed the Python schema validator information right here. I guess that's what we used it with. But the requirements were right here. We're not going to go over those. That's the boring stuff. But like I said, it goes through, it fetches the HTML page, parses sitemaps, finds the different schema, and then looks through and see if there's any errors. So let's just run through a quick test. So we'll just type in our website here. So we have caseybuildsit.com. And at first I'm going to go ahead and validate that. So it says I do not have any schema on this page, and that is correct. I do not. But if we did, it would have shown any issues. And then we can click here to open right away the Google Rich Results web page, and then it's going to do a live test. And so it makes it really quick and easy. Now, you can also put in the sitemap URL, hit parse sitemap, and it went through and grabbed all the URLs from the sitemap. Now we could go through then and go through each page. Now, if you don't want to go through the sitemap there, you could load in any URL from any website and paste those in a file, and then hit validate all, and it would check every single one of them. Once again, then it will export those out. So you will always have those on file. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you guys this tool for free. So you will find it in the file section and also in the free tool section. So if we go over here in the files, you'll see the little blog post that was generated. And then once you find the page, we scroll to the bottom, you will have get the tool. Or you can just come right over here to free tools, and then you can download it and use it with your website or your client's websites. So if you guys have any questions or any suggestions on any new tools or web applications in general, let me know and I'll see what I can do.